If you use AI coding agents, you likely spend the first 5 minutes of every session acting as a tour guide for your own codebase. You have to remind the agent that you're using Postgres for the database, JWT for authentication, and Jose for middleware. Whether you are starting a new feature or tracking down a bug, the moment you close the terminal, the AI's memory is wiped. Human engineers build on context. They remember why a specific architecture was chosen weeks ago and use that history to inform new code. Coding agents today operate with a form of digital amnesia. This constant resetting forces you to repeat yourself every time you boot up a tool. Developers often use static project files, like .cursorrules or Claude.md, to provide the AI with persistent instructions. These documents hit a physical limit at a few hundred lines. They quickly become cluttered with outdated information that no longer reflects the state of the repo. This chart shows the hidden cost of those static files. Pasting your full context logs over an entire year can waste nearly 20 million context tokens just to load redundant data. Static text files are not a memory system. They are a brute force tax on your AI's context window. AgentMemory is an open-source, persistent memory engine that allows different coding tools to share a single, long-term history. It operates as a standard Model Context Protocol, or MCP, server. This standard provides immediate compatibility across Claude Code, Cursor, OpenClaw, and any other tool that supports the MCP registry. Setup requires merging one block of code into your existing MCP configuration. There are no external databases or complex cloud dependencies to manage. Once installed, background hooks record your workflow history, file access, and tool outputs automatically. You don't have to type out notes for the AI to remember them. Codebase memory now functions as a passive background utility, ensuring your architectural preferences are captured as you work. On the retrieval side, the system must identify the exact piece of relevant context from your history without overwhelming the AI. This hybrid search mechanism filters data through 3 layers: BM25 keyword matching, vector embeddings, and knowledge graph traversal to find the most relevant history. By injecting only this specific data, the engine keeps token usage low, operating cost-effectively compared to loading a giant static file. This search logic isolates a precise context window from a massive log of past sessions. When an AI stores data in the background, you need a way to verify exactly what it has recorded. AgentMemory includes a real-time viewer, accessible through a local browser port on your machine. The interface provides a visual timeline where you can scrub through every observation the AI has made across your sessions. You can review previous prompts and see the exact tool outputs the agent received, allowing you to audit the system's logic. The dashboard provides a visual, searchable audit trail for every action the machine takes. Under this new workflow, you can spend your entire first session just establishing your authentication logic and rate limiting. If you move from Claude Code to Cursor in your next session and ask a new question, the agent already has access to those previous decisions. The new agent knows your tech stack and preferences immediately. You no longer need to copy and paste context between different tools. Persistent memory allows your architectural choices to follow you, creating a single, uninterrupted development cycle across all your agents. Check the link in the description to download the tool and integrate it into your workflow.